Hello, Godley. I'm Jackson Herring.
I'm Colin Langford.
I'm Kaden Nebbit.
And hello, I'm Jay Swagger.
And this is Godley Serves.
Godley Serves is a community outreach program where volunteers come together to better the community by completing projects submitted by residents of the community. And these projects are completely free of charge. Some of these projects include washing windows, painting fences, simple lawn care, and other tasks that do not require power tools.
Godley Serves will be held on Saturday, April 6th from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. beginning at Godley High School. We will hold a light breakfast and pass out free t-shirts for those who sign up to volunteer. Once everyone is done with breakfast, we will be assigning you your groups and your chaperones.
After this process, you will disperse and complete your assigned projects. Once projects are completed, volunteers will meet back at the high school for free lunch provided by us.
There are 2 QR codes at the end of this video. One is the work request form and the other is for volunteer sign up.
We need you.
We hope to see y'all there and
Go Wildcats!